The euro and the pound sterling advanced a little amid an unprecedented increase in the number of initial jobless claims in the United States. In the meantime, both currencies are again declining against their major rivals. Investors remain cautious as they fear to jump to conclusions assessing the U.S. economy only by the labor market report. Some traders assume that this was just a temporary spike. This is why it's better to wait for additional information, as well as a final report from the U.S. Department of Labor. Meanwhile, the spread of the coronavirus epidemic is only getting worse, especially in the United States. However, Europe is also facing economic problems due to the epidemic. The uncertainty and fears over the future prospects of the global economy caused by the virus are dragging down the US dollar. It seems that today's trading is going to unfold quietly until the end of the day. Even data on the US personal income and spending is unlikely to stir up the market. Speculators will barely take notice of the report as it contains figures for February. However, the rapid spread of the coronavirus that has led to serious economic consequences began in March. Investors are looking forward to the report of the U.S. Department of Labor that will be published only next week. It means that the economic calendar for today lacks any important news. As predicted in the previous review, the euro-dollar pair entered the range of 1.1000–1.1080 and then slid down. Now it's moving along the control levels. The pair will continue to hover in the same range. Before breaking through these levels, short positions can be opened below 1.0990 with the targeted levels at 1.0950–1.0900. If the pair consolidates higher than 1.1090, you may open long positions above 1.1240 with the target levels at 1.1145–1.1180. The pound-dollar pair continued its upward movement against the background of the weakening of the US currency. After breaking the psychological level of 1.20, it managed to fix higher than 1.2250. Economists assume that after such a significant rise, the pair is likely to halt its sharp growth, heading for the levels of 1.2150–1.2350. Long positions can be opened if the pair edged higher than 1.23 with a potential rise to 1.2350. Or there is a second option that looks more probable. The pair will consolidate above 1.2360 with the prospects of further increase to the 1.25. Short positions can be opened within the range of 1.2150–1.2350. You should pay attention to the upper limits and the main levels in case the price is fixed lower than 1.2150. That's all for now. We continue to keep close tabs on market developments. Subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with the latest forex news. See you later.